Hello everyone, welcome to Sarah's sketchbook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw a fashion figure in 3 easy steps. So first of all, you can do this in your sketchbook if you wish, but if you have an iPad and if you want to go through the video with me in your iPad, then just get your iPad, your pencil, and let's get started. So first of all, I just made an A4 paper, and then okay, so this one is my first layer, and then add another layer to start drawing. So I'll check, this is the pencil I'm going to use, and I'll check how dark it is. I want to make it black. Okay, so first of all, as always, the first step is to make a straight line in the center of your paper, and then start drawing the head. So in my previous videos I have already shown you how to draw 8.5 head and 9 head exactly, but in this video I'm gonna break it down and make it even more simpler. So I hope you like this video and learn something new and easier today. So first of all, I did draw my head, and then I just randomly look at this and find out, okay, this would be the neck. And how do I show the shoulder? I'll just start drawing the shoulder as a little triangle. So this would be the neck joint. Here would be shoulders, and then around here would be the waistline, and then I show it with a curved line like that. So this is the body, and also now we have hip, and then legs would be here, around here would be the knees, and then we've got legs, ankle. At the end we will have foot. So also arms are nearly next to the hip, so wherever you know there is a joint, then show it with a little circle like that. So this is the first structure of a fashion figure. Very easily, I think we could do it in 3-4 minutes. And now I know it doesn't look like a complete fashion drawing, but at least we do have the structure and we know how would it look like. And now what I do, I add another layer and try to make it more realistic and give it some form and make it more better and beautiful. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm in the new layer, and maybe I change the color of my pencil, get a dark red or burgundy. So this time I even make it a bit the size a bit bigger. The previous layer I lower the opacity by pressing on this little letter and reduce the opacity. And then what I'm gonna do is drawing neck, and now you can do the perfection, so you can make the shoulder more nice and exactly the way that you would like to do. This is the time to make perfection now. So imagine these lines are the bones and it's your structure, and now you do know where everything takes place and you know how to make it more beautiful. So you know here is the chest, and then that is the waistline here, and we've got hips, knees, Okay, so this is our second step, and here we could show it more better, and so now if we get rid of the first one, we do have the fashion figure structure. Then here we will add another layer, and this time we go more into details and make it even more better. So I'll reduce the second layer's opacity as well, and maybe I don't need the first one here. This time I would make my pen black again, maybe a little bit bigger size. Yeah, this is good. And the opacity, I don't know why is it that less. Okay, so let's get started this time. So even now, if you feel somewhere is not that perfect, it's very big, very small, arm, legs or whatever, then this is time to change it and to make it even more better and professional. So it's not only tracing what we have. Now it is time, if you want to change something and if you're not happy with it, then just this is the time to do it. So here we will show this beautiful lines, ears, whatever you wish to add, now you can do. Then if you want to make a little crop top, why not? Let's do it. There we go. So you see, I did reduce the curve a little bit because I wasn't happy with my first drawing, so why not? You can always make correction at this point. Even here I feel this leg is a bit more bigger than the other one. Then now it's time to make it better. You don't have to draw fingers, because anyway when you're drawing when you're doing fashion illustration, more often you have shoes or boots or something on your croquis, then it doesn't matter. Well, here's the elbow, knees, and yeah, I think we have all the details that we needed to have. And maybe if you want to have hair, why not? And we can get rid of this line. So there we go, guys. You've seen in 3 easier steps. So let's look at them one by one. This was our first one. So this is our first layer when we did this, and we could basically use it as our structure to make it even better in this one. And here we have the body, but not very perfect. It might have some problems and it's not symmetrical somehow. Then in here we made it better, and now maybe it's ready and you can start drawing your clothes on. Well, thanks for watching this video. In the next video I might use this template to do a fashion illustration and make a beautiful dress or an outfit for this. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, and bye.